Marley Spoon versus EveryPlate. Choosing the right meal kit can completely change how you enjoy cooking at home without the hassle of meal planning. Marley Spoon offers variety and freshness, while EveryPlate focuses on simplicity and affordability. Marley Spoon and EveryPlate are popular meal kit delivery services with distinct approaches. Marley Spoon emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients and diverse recipes, while EveryPlate delivers straightforward, budget-friendly meals. The core difference lies in variety and price, catering to different cooking preferences and budgets. Marley Spoon is a premium meal kit service that partners with Martha Stewart to provide fresh, high-quality ingredients and creative recipes. Each week, you can choose from a wide selection of meals, including vegetarian and family-friendly options, designed to suit different tastes and skill levels. The ingredients arrive pre-portioned, minimizing waste and simplifying cooking. Marley Spoon's strengths include its focus on seasonal produce and diverse menu which promotes healthy and flavorful meals. However, this quality and variety come at a higher price point compared to some competitors. The service also requires some cooking time and effort, making it ideal for those who enjoy cooking and want to experiment with new recipes but prefer the convenience of pre-measured ingredients. Marley Spoon suits food enthusiasts looking for fresh ingredients and culinary variety without the need to shop or plan meals extensively. EveryPlate offers a budget-friendly meal kit solution focused on simplicity and value. It provides a smaller menu with straightforward recipes that use fewer ingredients, which helps keep costs low. Meals are designed to be easy to prepare, often requiring less time and fewer cooking skills, making it accessible for beginners or busy individuals. EveryPlate delivers pre-portioned ingredients to reduce waste, though the ingredient quality is more basic compared to premium services. The strength of EveryPlate lies in its affordability and ease of use, making home cooking accessible without breaking the bank. Limitations include less variety and fewer dietary options, which might not satisfy those seeking gourmet or specialized meals. EveryPlate is ideal for budget-conscious customers who want quick, no-fuss meals without sacrificing the experience of cooking at home. Comparing Marley Spoon and EveryPlate highlights a clear trade-off between variety and price. Marley Spoon offers a broader menu with fresh seasonal ingredients and more complex recipes, perfect for those who enjoy cooking and want to explore new flavors. In contrast, EveryPlate focuses on affordability and simplicity, delivering easy-to-make meals with fewer ingredients. For a family looking to enjoy diverse meals and prioritize ingredient quality, Marley Spoon is a strong choice. Meanwhile, EveryPlate suits singles or couples who want convenient, budget-friendly dinners without much prep. If you value culinary creativity and don't mind spending a bit more, Marley Spoon fits best. But if cost and ease are your main concerns, EveryPlate provides solid value without unnecessary extras. Choose Marley Spoon for fresh, varied recipes and premium ingredients that elevate your home cooking experience with quality and creativity. EveryPlate is the better pick for affordable, straightforward meals that save time and money without sacrificing home-cooked flavor. Whether you want variety or value, both meal kits serve different needs, so pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.